Hello and welcome to my new tutorial. In this video I will create a postcard. I will use 3 images, on the left, on the right side one, and the third one on the bottom as a landscape picture, and add some message text into this postcard. So let's go. For the postcard I will use 3 photos from Pixabay. These are free photos. And now open the editor and create a new project, empty project, set a name as a postcard. If you want, you can change the size of the image and hit OK. Now we will align images on this plane, so enable this cross sign here, the grid, and drag and drop the Eiffel Tower on the left side. Set the position, leave a little space around the image. The second image, our Louvre, put in the right side, set also the same way as the Eiffel Tower. The third image will be a little tricky, but drag and drop our image into our scene. Change the order, so our versailles position set above our background. In this way we will see what will be, how it will be looks our postcard. I'm moving down a little bit, so this space will be for our text. Now create a layer mask on our layer in Versailles, so right click, select create layer mask, reveal all. That's mean what will be selected, only this part will be added to our scene, so reveal all layer mask. And now select this layer mask, select the select masked area in our scene and set the exact part what we want to display on our postcard. We leave an empty space around this image, little bit more in this way. Okay, now clear selection. Now select the lower layer because this is not the exact space, so set little bit. Okay, now select the text box, put in on our scene, so write welcome to Paris. Set the size of this box, the position also. Okay, you can change also the font type. I think this type is okay. And now we need to set the background to white. To achieve this, click on this plus sign, select the Add Solid Color layer. From this color picker window you can also pick some other colors of your background, but I choose the white color, hit OK. Now move the position of this layer in the second position from right above the background layer, and now we have a finished postcard. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more, and see you in the next video. See you next time.